Lazy Gal, the new peelable nail polish. We refuse health damage from traditional nail polish. With Lazy Gal, you can get fashion and healthy at the same time. Be smart, be lazy, and be healthy. This is the renovation of nail polish. No odor, only health. Lazy Gal peelable nail polish is totally different from traditional nail products. It does not contain any toxic chemical solvent. Refuse any damage to your body, of course including your nail. We only choose natural resin and color paste. With pure water. We ensure you with health commitment. Say no to pungent odor and carcinogenic substance. Ensure your health with environmental-friendly ingredients. Easy to peel off, offer you the chance to change whenever you want. The Lazy Gal nail color. Unique peelable design. It doesn't need nail polish remover. Help you to say goodbye to the irritating odor. Easy to polish, easy to peel off. Give you the chance to match your nail color with your dress every day. And it also gives your nail the chance to breathe every day. Let your nail color be part of your everyday life. The Lazy Gal peelable nail polish include 4 series and 18 colors. Brings you the most attractive nail color when you are in office or a meeting, when you are shopping or having coffee, when you are going to camp, when you are going to a wine party. You can always be your different with your nail color. The best nail color matching with different things brings you the most unique lifestyle. Lazy Gal peelable nail polish only needs 5 minutes to dress. 2 rounds of simple brush give you the best effective nail color. If you want a healthy nail dress, if you want to change your nail color every day, the Lazy Gal is your choice.